So in this first query, we're going to be using the sales order header table to find out how many customers have placed orders. So I'm going to take a look at the sales order header table first. So I'm going to write a select statement that pulls out the order ID and the customer ID. And this is taken from the sales order table. And then I'm going to be sorting this. I'm going to order by. I'm going to order by the customer ID in descending order. And I'm doing this just so we can see the data a little bit more easily. And then I'm going to limit the output to 500 rows. And then let's go ahead and run that. So as we can see here, each row in the order header table, so the sales order header table, is for a different order. So we have order IDs here, and they're all unique in this table. It's kind of hard to see this because I didn't sort it based on order ID. I sorted on customer ID. But here we can see that customer 1065 has 9 orders, and then customer 1060 has 4 orders. So there's a bunch of duplicate customer IDs in here because each customer can have placed multiple orders. But we want to find out how many customers have placed orders in total. So we want customer 1061 to be counted only once, and then customer 1060 to be only be counted once, and so on. So the goal then is to find out how many unique customer IDs are there in here. So let's go ahead then and say select, and we're going to be counting here. And I want to count only unique ones. I'm going to say distinct customer ID. And then we're going to indent that, and we don't need to order this anymore because I'm going to be essentially grouping together here because I'm counting, and then I'm saying distinct customer ID. So I'm going to essentially group together all the rows in the table. So I don't want to do sorting here, and I'm not going to limit anything either. And I'm not actually going to include a group by. If I include a group by, I would find out, for example, for a certain category, how many customer IDs are there. But here I want to find out for the entire table, so I'm not going to give a grouping variables. If there's nothing to group on, then all the rows in the table will collapse together. So if I run this now, I find out that we have 663 unique customers. Well, I'm not quite done. I needed to name this field something too. And I need to name that number of unique customers, or number of customers, I guess.